Okay, so you know that friendship goes beyond everything. And these lamps are kind of like a way of witnessing that. This company sent me the friendship lamps, and I'm gonna kind of like show you how they work. But this is the perfect gift for family members or friends. They are kind of like separated, I want to say, not in the same place. For example, you have a friend or a relative or a family member that moved to another city, moved to another country, moved to another town or something like that. Or it doesn't have to be for people that are super far away. You know, this can be set up in your, for example, just give you an example, my wife's office when she's going out to work, and I can have mine here at home. And this is just fantastic because she can have hers with her app and everything, her user account and everything else. And I can have mine, or we can have both with the same app, with the same user, which is everything is managed super easily with just the app, which, by the way, it comes with everything explained right here just to kind of like understand how to hook them up. Let me actually unlock my phone just for a little bit. Oh, this is not the one. Okay, this is my Wi-Fi phone, actually. Again, I'm gonna lock it right here. And you manage everything with the app. You install it with the app. You're gonna put this one's in 2.4 hertz Wi-Fi, just not 5.0, but 2.4 hertz. And this is how they work. Let me actually turn off the lights. Okay, check this out. Let's say that we have both lamp all set up, and I'm taking this one with me, and my friend is taking this one to another country. So what's happening is that when I touch this lamp, for example, like this, check this out. If I touch it again, and if I touch it again, check what happens with both lamps. You can see they're coordinated, you know, there you can see that this one changed the lights and changed the lights on the other one. So let's say that I'm working here and my friend is working at their office or home or something like that, and they see this lamp we're working, and suddenly his lamp turns on green or blue. That means that I'm thinking about my friend and I'm actually touching my lamp. And what he can do is touch their lamp back again to give me another signal that they're thinking on me as well. And these are super beautiful. They are made of wood, and they also have like golden accents with the metal kind of like poles in the middle. So make it to be also a nice decoration. Whether if you're sending a message or whether if that person is giving a message back, it's a fantastic and lovely way to make them know that you're thinking about them. Doesn't matter if it is friendship, doesn't matter if it is family, love is what unites us all. And these lamps is a great way of showing that to a person.